டேட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 23rd May 2023. நம்மளோட கன்னியாகுமரி டு காஷ்மீர் ட்ரிப்பு 4th டேயில் இருக்கோம் இன்றைக்கி. ஆக்சுவலாக இன்றைக்கி நம்ம ஹைதராபாத்தில் இருந்துருக்கணும். அன்ஃபார்ச்சுனேட்லி ஒரு நாள் டிலே ஆகி போச்சு. நான் ஆல்ரெடி மென்ஷன் பண்ணியிருக்கேன் போன வீடியோவில் என்ன ரீசனுக்காக டிலே ஆச்சுன்னு. எனிவே இன்றைக்கி நைட்டு ஹைதராபாத் போய் ரீச் ஆகிடுவோம். ஸோ அங்கே என்னோடய ஃப்ரெண்ட் ஃபரீதை மீட் பண்ணோம். ஸோ டே 5 ஃபுல்லே நம்ம ஹைதராபாத்தில் தான் இருக்க போகிறோம். 1 டே ரெஸ்ட் எடுத்துகிட்டு டே 6 நம்ம ஹைதராபாத்லேருந்து மூவ் ஆகுறோம். ஸோ ஃபார் திஸ் இஸ் அ பிளான். ரெட்டிக்கு பசி ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகிட்டு எங்களுக்கும் தான். ஸோ பக்கத்தில் ஏதாச்சும் ஃபியூல் ஸ்டேஷன் போயிட்டு பெட்ரோல் ஃபில் பண்ணிவிட்டு அடுத்தது எங்களோட ஃபியூலையும் கொஞ்சம் ஃபில்லப் பண்ணோம். தென் வி வில் கண்டினியூ த ரைட். And one more thing I have to mention here, in Hyderabad there is one more friend is waiting. He traveled from another corner to Hyderabad, nearly 250 kilometer, and his name Santosh, one of my good friend. Then full night we have a plan in Hyderabad. I mean tonight. Traffic is started already, so I have to be exit from the city as soon as possible. To be honest, mostly we are staying in cities only. I mean in downtown areas. That's the reason we are getting delay day by day. I feel it's better to stay inside the city. However, we will start to move. Then here I want to mention one nice story last night which has happened. There was heavy rain before I reached the hotel. Oh my god, did you see that? You guys, did you see that? That Himalayan? I feel he made a wheeling. Anyway, Continental GT 650 செமையான பைக்கு. பட் எனக்கு இந்த பைக் செட் ஆகாது, எனக்கு தெரியும். பட் லுக்ஸ் கிரேசி. அப்புறம் அந்த பையன் பேர் தீபக். ஸோ அவர் மீட் பண்ணார் ஆக்சிடெண்ட்டாக. அவர் ஆன் த வே போய்கிட்டு இருக்கும்போது பார்த்தாராம் யாரோ ஒரு ரைடர் நிற்கிறாருன்ட்டு. நம்புகிறாங்க நம்மளும் ரைடர்னு. ஓகே, ஸோ அதனால் வந்து கம்யூனிகேட் பண்ணார். ஆக்சுவலி ஹிஸ் நேட்டிவ் ஃப்ரம் ஹைதராபாத். ஹி ஸ்டடிங் இன் பெங்களூர். And he told me that he wished to go Ladakh with this GT650. But still he's young, 22 years old, and still studying. So as a brother, I told him, you have lots of time, nothing to worry, you can go one day. That is the main thing. We should communicate with the new peoples. And he advised me the famous biryani shop in Hyderabad. And he told me that if you go that side to take a nice biryani, and also he offered me he can arrange the accommodation for me with his friends. But I told him that's okay for me. 2 of my best friends are waiting in Hyderabad for me, so I'm going to stay with them tonight. And tomorrow I will be in Hyderabad, then you people knows that after tomorrow we will move. That's what I told him. He's getting delay, so he decided to move faster, and our speed you people knows very well. That's what. And let me go with the last night story. It was heavy rain, so that we stopped somewhere, and accidentally another one bike came and stopped next to us, Pulsar 220. Yeah, couples, huh? But they never stopped that for raining. They stand there without petrol. Then he approached me, Anna, please help me because my bike no petrol, nothing, because it's a rural area. So that nearly half liter petrol I removed from Reddy, I gave them. Reddy little bit upset because I'm sharing the petrol, no? Then what to do? Sometimes we have to do. Is that area I never feel somewhere there is fuel station. Even in the Google map, nearly 20-25 kilometers they have to go. This is the feel, you know. We don't know who is going there, and they don't know who is me. Just to say hi, bye on the road. It's a beautiful feel, to be honest. And they are going somewhere, and we are going other side. So it's time to take a lunch for me. It's getting delay. I feel hungry. Let me see you in some restaurant on the way.
Hi, we are here in Dhaba, new Rajasthani Dhaba. Just we had a lunch here and nice chatting with the Dhaba owner. He's a very nice guy. His name is Govardhan, and this is what I need. Just meeting new people, connecting with them, interrogating with them, to try to understand their mindset. And he's a nice guy. And it's time to know.
Govardhan from Rajasthan, and he advised us to go through Rajasthan because it's a easy route for us. But however, we have a area to visit in Agra, Taj Mahal. So I told him, and he said that is the best route for you then, if you have planned to go to Taj Mahal. Otherwise, going through Rajasthan, it's a easy way to go Kashmir. Two important things I have to do in Hyderabad in that one free day. First thing, I need to buy a gloves which is going to offer by my friend Tamim. And second thing, which is more important, to fix my GoPro mic because this mic adapter having some issues, so the jack is not sitting properly, so that I want to take a different 3.5 mm jack, such kind of mic I have to buy it. Then I will not have much issues with the recording, I mean the voice. And you people knows that now I'm doing the voiceover. Since first video I'm mentioning that I'm doing voiceover.
I think you people can see it's here. See the blood? It's a butterfly. This is the purpose we have to use the helmet, man. Exactly to my eyes. In case if the visor is not there, it could hit my eyes direct. That's the thing. Butterfly, it's a beautiful bird. Is it bird? I think this is insects family, flying insects family. I don't know, whatever it is, let it be. So it's beautiful till it's live and it flies. You guys just enjoy this view. It's so beautiful. And just I want to mention this. You can see this tag, right? Ladakh tag. Actually this one is not a new one. I got this one 2 years before. I was fixing my Ladakh trip plan 2 years before. Unfortunately it's keep on postponed. I don't get the time, then I don't have budget also to go. Finally it's become true now in 2023. So this is a special year for me. I won't forget it in my life.
தெரியுதுங்களா உங்களுக்கு மண்பான தண்ணி ரொம்ப நாள் ஆயிடுச்சு, ரொம்ப நாள் இல்லை ஆக்சுவலாக ரொம்ப வருஷமாகிடுச்சு மண்பான தண்ணி குடிச்சு.
So day 4 still going on. I have nothing to say now. Still I have to drive nearly 320 kilometer. I don't know, somewhere we are lagging. Ding 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 ding. Such kind of sunsets, yeah, from every places you can see sunset. But the thing where you can see it's beautiful, keeping your mind is very peace. That's what sunset. So we'll see. We will enjoy this moment. I already called my friends just few minutes ago. I told them I'm sorry, I can't able to reach in 2 hours because I don't want to rush my driving. It's already evening. I don't know which river is this. It's completely dry, but it's nice. Nice. To looks, it's very nice. Very big, man. And a beautiful momentum is started again. You see? This is what I need from my riding experience. This is what I want to see. Always greens. I don't know where they are going. In many tractors nowadays, humans become goods. Loading, unloading, loading, unloading. Transport, how they are using it. Yes, when I was a child, I used to travel same like that, but at that time I have no idea about it.
You people can see the car on my left side. Just make a note. I was standing for the tea break and the car came and stopped next to me. And I hear the voice, Anna, Anna, Anna. Then I'm surprised. Then I look at her. She asked me, "Are you calling me?" And she started to speak to me in Tamil. And she started to ask me like about my ride. And I explained her the way we started and where we are going, everything. Then she really appreciated. Then she introduced herself to me. She is from Chennai and her husband from Bangalore. They settled in Hyderabad. And then their entire family in the car only. And the big thing, they are following me more than 60 kilometer. They was expecting somewhere I will stop the vehicle, my Reddy. They was keep on following me since long time. To be honest, when I hear these things from her, I'm that much happy. And her husband mentioned clearly to me that the way I'm driving the bike, it's really great. And he said to be safe journey. The way you are riding the bike, it's perfectly all right. The thing he's saying that, always whenever I'm crossing the vehicle, I'm using horn or indicator, making overtaking, everything in the right way I'm doing that. To be honest, to hear from someone, unknown people, I'm really happy for that because I feel proud myself because of these peoples. Yes, I know that I'm driving in the right way, but still, the compliments I got from them, that's give me a bit motivated. And now we cannot be able to enter in the ring road, so that they are transfer here and there. So I'm using the Google Mataji. Apart from that, I cannot ask anybody also because you can see there is nobody. Anyway, somehow I have to reach.
Wow. Look at the beauty of the city in the night, Hyderabad. So I came in the right time only to see the view, to enjoy the city view. That's great. And this is the pathway only for the bicycles, not for other vehicles, only for the bicycles. And also this is my first step in Hyderabad. I step in with my Reddy. If Reddy is with me, everything is possible. Karega, pura karega.